Hello legends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to introduce a platform where you can earn by doing transcription and captioning. This is the best platform you can earn from your home. So let's begin this video by asking you to please subscribe to my channel. I will be keep on posting the content like how you can earn from your home. So let's begin this video with Trustpilot. So Trustpilot has given 4.5 rating to this particular website. So yes, you can believe this website and you can start working from your home. So let's begin. So website name is rev.com. So you can go to rev.com. Just you have to scroll down and come to a freelancer. You have to click freelancer and you will be here, and you can see this dashboard sign up page. You have to just click like this. I am going to enter my details as world marketing and email is world marketing. You can apply for transcriptionist or captioner. So my recommendation is don't go with captioner because it has a lot of competition in this website. So I think you can go with transcriptionist. It's an easy job. You can find the YouTube videos where you can understand how to do a transcriptionist. So let's begin. You can select your country, like I will be selecting United States. Okay, United States, and continue by clicking next state. Yeah, so here we are. So next thing is you have to uh, you have already started your application, because I have already started my application, so I just have to log in. Okay, so scroll down. So here is my login page. Yeah, here is my login page. I will go back to background info. So I will be starting from here. You just have to give your introduction, all of your names, and you can start filling this like what is your highest level of education, how many years of work experience do you have. The simple things you can just click here, and you can give this give your answer, and you can move on to next page where you will be asking like what do you want, why do you want to work for Rev. You can give best answer, like you can give your best thing for them, and they, if they like, they will surely hire you and they will pay you $144 you can earn from your home for a month. So this is the best method. Go for rev.com and you can start working in rev.com. The 4 point, as you can see, that is a 4.5 rating for red.com to Trustpilot. So that where you can earn a good amount of money from rev.com. So that is affiliate marketing. So it is a biggest market. You can earn a lots and lots of money from your home. So let's go to rev.com and scroll down to the bottom. You can see the affiliate link and you have to click there and you will be here. So start clicking by apply now, and you will be this page. Sign up for cj.com. So cj commission junction is the biggest marketplace where there will be lots and lots of program were held as a affiliates. So you just have to sign up in cj. I think internet may be slow, so just a second. Okay, so here we are. I have to fill these things over here. I have to fill this email id, password, confirm password and verify, and I am going to share the program highlight here. So you can earn $20 per new customer conversation for human power transcription. So if anyone who buys, who gives their work to rev.com, you will sure earn a $20. There is a lots and lots of people are going to rev.com and applying for a service like captioning and transcription. You just have to reach out to 10 to 20 people. You can go to Instagram or else anywhere else and you can suggest them. You just have to get the link from cj.com and you can share them directly to their Instagram or through any mail. So you can also contact any YouTuber. You have to go to YouTube and get the mail ID from them, and you can contact them and you can tell them that I will add a I will add a caption for us, or you can add caption from rev.com. If they give the service, if they buy the service from rev.com, you can surely earn a 20 to $40. So yeah, this is the best thing. You can go as a freelancer, or else you can promote this product and go as your affiliate marketer. So hope you have liked this video. I have shared a minimum to minimum. We can also get, if you have any doubt, you can message me through this mail id. I will be sure replying you through mail. And thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, so please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.